should have, could have, would have. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use these words should have, could have, and would have. We always use these words to express regret. You did something in the past, but now in present you regret. Now let's do some examples. Look at this first example. My teacher was asking what happened. I should have told the truth. According to this example, my teacher was asking what happened in past, but now I am wondering I should have told the truth. That's mean I'm regretting. I should have told the truth in past. Remember, we always use third form past participle. In past, I should have told. Past participle, that's mean third form. We always use this form. My teacher was asking what happened. I should have told the truth. We use should have when we talk about past, and in this sentence we always use past participle. Another example, she was asking for help. I should have helped her. Now concentrate. She was asking for help. She was asking in past, but now I am thinking I should have helped her. I regret. Another example, he called me last night. I should have called him back. They did not help me. I should ask for it. Should have. Should have is a contraction of should have. You can write in sentences should have or should have. We always use should have or should have in past. Should have is a contraction of should have. Could have. We also use this word in past. Now look at this example. She offered me a hot coffee. I could have drunk hot coffee. According to this sentence, she offered me hot coffee in past. But that time I ignored. But now I am thinking I could have drunk hot coffee because I am regretting now. I could have drunk hot coffee. We always use third form past participle. I could have drunk is a third form of drink. She offered me hot coffee. I could have drunk hot coffee. Always use third form. Another example. He ruined my project. I could have slapped him. In past, he ruined my project, but that moment I did not do anything. I did not slap him. But now I am thinking I am regretting. I could have slapped him. I could have slapped him. Could have, after that, third form. Another example. They made a cake. We could have eaten that cake. She broke my toy. I could have punished her. Could have is a contraction of could have. Could have, could have. Would have. We use would have in third conditional. Look at this example. If I had your number, I would have called you. In past, if I had your number, in past I would have called you, but in present I don't have. In this sentence, we always use third form after would have. Structure. Past perfect plus would have plus past participle. That's mean third form. Another example. If I had a computer, I would have worked at home. It means if I had a computer in past, I would have worked at home. If they had money, they would have helped you. If she had a car, She would have given me treat. Would have is a contraction of would have. Well done. I hope you loved this video. Watch next this lesson and learn first 3 conditionals with examples. See you in the next video. Until take care of yourself.